Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. This cassava cake is a classic dessert in the Philippines, made with grated cassava and coconut milk. This easy cassava cake recipe is topped with a condensed milk brûlée and is perfect for coconut lovers. Plus, it's gluten-free. Let's begin with 2 cups of grated cassava, followed by 16 ounces of coconut milk. Next, let's add 14 ounces of evaporated milk, followed by 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. And let's also add 2 eggs. Followed by 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Let's mix well together, stirring constantly for about 1 minute. Let's batter the baking pan. Pour the mixture and make sure you preheat the oven to 350 degrees with 1 rack placed in the center. Bake for about 40 to 50 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cassava cake topping. We are going to use 3 egg yolks, let's add 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. And lastly, let's add 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Stir constantly for about 1 minute. And set aside. And after 50 minutes, let's pour topping on cassava cake. Then bake additional 10 minutes. Or until topping is golden brown and toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. And by the way, what is cassava? Cassava is a root plant originating from South America. Popular in Africa, South and Central America, India, and Southeast Asia. It is a root rich in carbohydrates, mainly starch, and a major source of energy. In raw form, it is similar to a sweet potato in appearance with a thick brown outer layer. And it's ready! This traditional Filipino cassava cake is like the glorious childhood of a creamy custard and a coconut cake. What does cassava cake taste like? I like to think of cassava cake as the Philippine version of Hawaiian mochi butter cake. Because cassava is so mild flavored, this cake mostly tastes like all the other ingredients in it. The cassava cake has a mildly sweet, milky flavor from the combination of coconut milk, evaporated milk, and sweetened condensed milk in the recipe. Cool the cassava cake at room temperature for about an hour, then refrigerate until chilled or overnight. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or sending joy to others, these freshly baked cakes are sure to please. That is cooking simply delicious! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!